Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your home screen layout on your Android phone. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and swipe up and get into your setting. Now from your setting here, we're going to go down and look for home screen. Now the home screen here gives you all the customization that you may be looking for. So you may be just resetting some of these settings themselves by tweaking them. However, if you really want to reset it, you want to go down a little bit further to about home screen. And this is going to tell us basically what is managing our home screen, basically another software. So we need to click on that icon for more information about this install software. And from here on, we're going to go ahead into our storage. And in the storage option, we're going to first clear cache and then clear data. And this will go ahead and allow us to go ahead and reset, as you can see here, the home screen layout, just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.